Hello, this is Mike from the Epic team. This is the first of a series of short videos about the Epic command line interface. In this video, we'll introduce the command line interface and show the installation and configuration on a Windows machine. Epic CLI is the name of the command line tool for Epic. It lets you interact with Epic directly from the command line and manage your data, jobs and teams. Epic CLI is available on Github as a public repository. I'll include the links in the description of the video. Installation of Epic CLI can be done from PyPy using pip or directly from the repository. In this video I'm going to demonstrate installing and configuring the Epic CLI on a Windows 10 machine. This machine already has Python installed, and the first thing I'm going to do is open a command prompt, and I'm going to use the Python virtual environment tool to set up an environment for this demonstrator. If you're not familiar with virtualenv, it lets you have a separated Python environment so I can install packages without impacting the global Python installation. Once that's done, I'm going to activate that environment. And then have a separate environment ready for installation. Installing the package is very easy. You just use pip install Epic CLI. That will download and install Epic CLI and the dependencies required. Okay, once that's done, the package is installed and Epic CLI is now available on your command line. So if you just type Epic CLI, it will list you your options. There we have it. So the first thing we need to do is configure Epic CLI to connect to Epic. So Epic CLI configure will do this for you and walk you through the steps. So first of all, where would we like to store the configuration for Epic CLI? I'm just going to go with the default by hitting return. And which URL do you want to connect to? So I'm going to connect to the main Epic service. Again, that's the default, so I can just hit return. Do I already have an Epic API token? Yes or no? The Epic API token can be found within your Epic account. If you log in to Epic, go to the dashboard, and then under your profile, you have your credentials, and here you have an Epic API token. I've already got one here. If I don't have one, so if I just revoke this one, I can generate a new token. This token lets you authenticate with the API. If you need to keep this token secure, if you do feel that you've lost it or it's insecure, you can revoke it, and that will revoke that token's access to Epic. So I do have a token. I'm just going to say yes, and then paste in my Epic token. That's it. Epic CLI is now configured to connect to Epic and use my account details.